Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today, as you can see, it's pretty nice weather. So what I'm gonna do today is that I'm gonna go some metal detecting. Sorry, the English it's not my native language. I hope you can understand. Well, so I'm gonna head onto the beach volley field. It's made of course, as you can understand, sand. Let's see what we will find. So guys, what I found so far, I had to move a little because some players came in this field. So I went onto the close by beach, and what I found was a few bottle caps, piece of a lighter, hairpin, few screws, rusty screws, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and it looks like a nail, and this is a nail. That's what I found so far, but let's try to find this rest of this place, what we will find. And well, what I've got was the bird hoop on my hand. They say it means lucky, but I'm not sure. Well, we'll see. That's about it, guys. I think I'm gonna wrap this day in. For now, it's about I've been here about a hour and a half, and yeah, kind of cool day. In fact, nothing special found, but just like I said, few paddle caps, What I did earlier was checking this field in here, what I'm gonna find, and I found nothing, absolutely nothing. Instead, there came few players, so I moved on to a local beach out there, just a bit of ahead, and yeah, there I found the few screws and nails, and I hope you guys can see it. I saw it earlier. Few bottle caps, hairpin, piece of leather. Yeah, there are a lot of bits anyway. So I'm gonna head home, and I hope you guys like this film, and we will see next time.